Hey everyone, welcome back to another Essential Guide. If you've ever faced a power outage, you know how crucial a generator can be. It's not just about keeping the lights on, it's about maintaining a sense of normalcy and safety during unexpected situations. But connecting a generator to your home isn't just plugging it in and flipping a switch. There's a right way to do it, and I'm here to guide you through safely and effectively. This process ensures that your home remains powered without compromising safety. First off, why do you need to hook up a generator directly to your home's electrical panel? Well, it allows you to power your appliances and lights directly without running extension cords all over the place. Sounds convenient, right? But it must be done correctly to ensure safety and functionality. Incorrect connections can lead to dangerous situations, including electrical fires or damage to your appliances. Step 1. Choose the right generator. This is the foundation of your setup. Make sure the output matches your home's energy needs. You don't want to overload your generator. Overloading can cause the generator to fail or even damage your home's electrical system. Step 2. You'll need a transfer switch. This device is crucial for a safe connection. This is non-negotiable. A transfer switch will safely connect your generator to your home's electrical panel. It also prevents backfeeding, which is dangerous not just to you, but also to utility workers who might be repairing lines during an outage. Backfeeding can cause serious injuries or even fatalities. Step 3. Install your transfer switch. This step is critical for ensuring a seamless and safe connection. Now, I highly recommend hiring a licensed electrician for this part. Yes, it's an additional cost, but electricity is nothing to mess with if you're not fully trained. A professional will ensure that everything is up to code and functioning correctly. Once your transfer switch is in place, it's time to connect your generator. This is where the magic happens. Always make sure that both your generator and main house power are off before making any connections. Safety first. This step prevents any accidental electrical surges. Step 4. Fire up your generator. This is the moment of truth. Don't just load it up all at once. Start by connecting essential items like your fridge and a few lights. This ensures that your generator isn't overwhelmed right from the start. Gradually add more until you've reached a safe load. Remember, it's not about using all your usual appliances, but keeping the essentials going until power comes back on. This approach helps manage the generator's load effectively. And finally, always monitor your generator while it's running. Regular checks can prevent potential issues. Make sure it's in a well-ventilated area to avoid carbon monoxide poisoning, and never refuel it while it's running or hot. Safety is your #1 priority. Proper ventilation is crucial to prevent any harmful fumes from accumulating. Connecting a generator to your home can seem daunting, but with the right tools, safety measures, and knowledge, it's definitely doable. It's all about taking it step by step and not rushing the process. Remember, when in doubt, always turn to a professional. Stay powered up and safe, everyone. Your safety and the safety of those around you should always come first. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.